First and foremost, I'd like to thank the Association of Engineers and also Regional Association of Engineers for welcoming here in my delegation this evening. Thank you very much. I had a very good meeting. We explored possible areas of cooperation. One of it is, of course, between the Association of Engineers of Padua and also the Association of Engineers in Malaysia. We welcome the collaboration. We will work with both sides to create a link in order for them to move forward the cooperation in the coming years. Malaysia will be hosting the ASEAN-Italy high-level dialogue on the 1st of 2nd of July next year, where we hope there will be a high-level delegation from Italy to Malaysia, together with to join the Malaysian companies and also the ASEAN companies in Malaysia for a trade investment summit. We hope also for the Prime Minister of Italy to proceed to Malaysia for a visit in conjunction with this high-level dialogue in order for us to have a greater bilateral cooperation between both countries. This morning I met with the mayor of Padua, and where he informed us of the bid by mayor and also the prefecture of Padua, where they inform us of the bid by UNESCO by Padua to become a historical city of UNESCO. We welcome the proposal, and on my part, we'll write back to Malaysia to seek how we can work together with Italy in order for Italy to go forward and also Padua to be able to go for the bid in the coming year.